Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Errant Update. First of all, today I want to thank the impressively large number of people who welcomed us back in the comments under the last update. That was really amazing to experience. So many that so many people remembered us and were looking forward to us starting to upload content again. So yeah, big thanks for that. Excuse me. And the other thing today I want to talk about is the new Imperial Knights. And then of course after that I'll give you this week's program on Errant Painting. So yeah, the new Knights. If you haven't noticed yet, Warhammer Community posted a rather long post talking about the upcoming codex and showing off some really sweet pictures, I think. I mean, I've heard a lot of people say this just looks like a mini Warlord Titan, and I think maybe that's what I really like about it. I mean, it still looks like an Imperial Knight, and I'm very excited to see the rules for these interesting guns. I mean, what is that there on the right hand? Is that a melee weapon or a gun? I can't tell. And then some form of triple Melta Madness on the other arm. That's looking really nice. Well, yeah, I can't stress enough how impressed I haven't seen a picture of these next to the regular knights, but I hope they're not too humongously larger. I think the bulkiness in itself makes them different enough, and I really hope that they will be easy to magnetize, because I definitely want to be able to swap out the different options here, though it could look like there are some armor plating sitting down on the weapon arms where I would usually cut and magnetize. So yeah, we'll have to see about that. And then there are some alternative loadouts for the mini knights or baby knights or whatever you want to call them. And my first thought here was the mini knight version of a rifleman dreadnought, and that would be completely awesome. I love the rifleman dreadnought, and I would love to have some small knights backlining while the bigger knights go melee. I think that would be really cool. Also, with various options for the mini knights, there's actually a chance that I can make lists in smaller points games and still have some variation, and not just, okay, here's my army, that's a knight, and perhaps another knight. But yeah, same cover as last edition. It's okay, it's a cool picture. And Renegade is coming back out. I bought Renegade last time around, or actually I got it for my birthday, I think. Gift from Mother Nurgle. Yeah, that was... I still haven't gotten around to assemble the two knights from there. Actually, if I'm being honest, I only have two knights painted right now. An Archean from Forge World and a regular knight that is magnetized to swap between the big melter gun and the big Gatling gun. And then a chainsword, or Reaper chainsword. So yeah, it's not like I have a full knight house or a knight army or anything at this point, but I really want to. The reason why I kinda stopped painting knights was that I rarely play very big games, and back in 7th edition, playing with knights was kinda like playing rock, paper, scissors. Either the game was won and it was no hurdle at all, or it was lost horribly in a few rounds because the army were tooled to handle small titans. I think it's better here in 8th. I haven't tested it a lot yet, but I really wanna. And also, I'm thinking if I wanna field just a knight house and not combine them with other stuff, it might make sense to do some more 2v2s. so I can play my knights and be allied with somebody who can field infantry and stuff like that. um, but yeah, I am very far from 100% sure that that knights will be balanced and fun, but I really, really hope that they will be. And I will do my best to get a night house up and running over this summer, I think, because I think the new knights look awesome, and I really want to get the ones I have painted. And and my birthday is coming up, so perhaps that can land me at least a baby knight or something. That would be lovely. But yeah, let me know if you have experience playing all knight armies in 8th edition. I'd really want to hear about it. Or if you have experience playing against them, for that matter. That would be very nice to get some feedback on that. Anyway, I don't have a whole lot to say on the subject. I only know what is available on the regular channels. So let's jump straight over to this week on Errant Painting. Newscaster style. So Tuesday is Errant Battles, and that is Mother Nurgle versus myself, and we're playing Dark Angels versus Death Guard. That was a really fun game to play, so hopefully you will enjoy watching it. Thursday is Shadespire Tactics with Mother Nurgle and Lesvar. I don't know what the subject is yet, but it should be interesting as always. Saturday is, of course, Knight Errant, with me and Sleeping Bear talking about Primaris Space Marines. We had a lot of fun recording that, and I think we actually managed to, even though it is a Knight Errant episode, come up with some pretty good points. And Sunday, Errant Letters episode 2. We'll stick to the Errant Letters for a couple of weeks, and then Sunday slot will rotate between different Crew Zone shows. So yeah, that's the week on Errant Painting. I hope you all will enjoy it. If you have any questions for me or stuff like that, feel free to post them here and I'll answer them in the next Errant update. And till next time, take care and bye bye.